Alright, hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be walking you through how to purchase a script and install a script from this amazing website called crmtools.net. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in your preferred browser called crmtools.net, and you're going to see the landing page where you can search for a Flutter project. So in our case, we're going to be looking at build pay today, and this one, the first one. So you want to go ahead and select it. So build pay is a top-up recharge and utility bill payment mobile application written in Flutter and works both in Android and iOS. So you want to go ahead and read through this documentation, a little bit about build pay, and understand what you do behind the scene. You can check for live review as well as the screenshots here. So the next step is you are going to go ahead to add to cart. So you want to click on add to cart, and you want to go ahead and click on checkout. So for us, we already purchased this project, the script. So we don't want to do that the second time. So it's a straightforward process. Go ahead and click on checkout and proceed to payment. Yeah. So once that is done, the next thing that we will need is the Flutter SDK, which will help us to run Flutter in our local machine. Alright, so you want to go ahead and go to the Flutter documentation where you get to see how to install Flutter. Alright, so once that is done, you want to go ahead to choose your preferred platform. So for me, I'm going to be choosing Windows since I'm using Windows at the moment. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this. Then you choose your first type of applications. It can be an Android, web, desktop, or even iOS, depending on which OS you're using. So I'm going to select Android, and then you want to go ahead and confirm that your system has met all the requirements stated below. And once that is successful, you want to go ahead and download or install the Flutter SDK. So this is the download button where you get Flutter 3.9, 3.29 stable version of Flutter. Version of Flutter. So you can go ahead and read through the steps in order to create a new folder, a new directory, and add it to your environment variables and your path variables. And once that is done, you want to go ahead to get your IDE. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using Visual Studio. So you're just going to go to Visual Studio download. So over here, we want to go ahead and select, since we're using Windows, we want to go ahead and select Windows this, and then it will start your downloading process. Once that is done, you want to install, you choose a preferred location. And once that is done, you're going to go ahead to install Visual Studio into your local device. So moving forward, we want to go ahead and open our script. So for me, I already have this Visual Studio here, so I don't need to follow through the installation process. So I just have to click on the folder of the downloaded script, and then it's going to open. So I already have my two button tools, which is Flutter SDK as well as the development environment, and this is how our application looks like down here. So the first thing you want to go ahead to do is to run your Flutter clean. Now this is going to clean your project. I'm just going to go ahead and click enter. That is So begins to resolve the dependencies. Just have it at the back of your mind that this might take a while, considering the fact that it's the first time you open this script and you just want to have it there until it's done and you're good to go. Okay, so we have that app is up and running. Everything successfully built. All dependencies without any issues. So what we want to do now is to get emulator. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect an emulator. So for my case, I'm going to be using a physical device. For your case, if you download it or install Android Studio, you might just want to use the emulator in Android Studio. Okay. Once that's done, you just want to go ahead and in our command line say flutter run. So sorry about that. So it's flutter run. So our application is going to need to run. Okay, so it's launching. Just give it some time and you're good to go. Alright, so this is our application. This is how the application looks like. So first of all, you have the onboarding screen. You just have this and you can skip it or get started. Create an account, you walk through the sign in. So yeah, thank you very much. That is how to install any Flutter scripts from codecameo.net. See you next time.